everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wear, where you get a week of outfits, you get life in there, you get PA weather. And we're kicking it off on Sunday. It's 55 degrees out. It's supposed to get up to 68. I do have puppy palooza going on as of late. So if you're new, I'm Laura. My furry sidekicks consist of Loki and Willie, who is my son's dog. They are growing up together. They are fast friends. They love each other and they play nonstop. Sometimes nice, sometimes not as nice, but they play nonstop. And you're probably going to hear a lot of puppy sounds in my videos. Sometimes if I can break them apart, then Loki just goes to sleep to the sound of my voice. But when no one's home, I keep them together because that's how they function best. All right, so for outfit of the day today, I have on Citizens of Humanity denim from Ever Eve. I have on a White House Black Market form tank, and then I have an Ever Eve jacket on top. This one is so adorable in the short sleeve, the vegan leather. And for shoes, which the dogs have already tried to eat, I put these little wedges on. Love these. They are by Camuto. Got them in a Stitch Fix. For jewelry, I just have on my bracelet stack. I have on an early Mother's Day necklace. This one is from Louis Vuitton. And that is my outfit. All right, we're going to get to work. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I will catch you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It's Monday. Time for outfit of the day. Willie decided to join me today. I think Loki's still thinking about it. It's a really nice warm day today. It is 76 already, getting up to 79. It's just after lunchtime. And yeah, the puppers have already been all around the yard for their first break today, huh? Their first big break today. He's such a love bug. Oh, I hear Loki. Do you hear him? Loki's coming. Okay, Loki's not to be left behind. He decided to come upstairs after all. So now they're probably going to play. Now you want to play, don't ya? All right, so my Ever Eve haul posted today. I hope you guys check that one out. Such a good haul. I had so much fun with that one. And for my outfit today, I am in shorts. I decided to pull out the shorts. So I have on a pair of AG Bermuda shorts from a Trendsend. I have on a tank from a Front Door Fashion. I put on a blazer for my work calls. I think this looks pretty sharp. From Ichi that I got in a Wantable. This one has the fun stripes. And for shoes, I have on Dolce Vita sandals. Aren't those super cute? They have the gold bar across the top. These are super fun. For jewelry, my bracelet stack, and then I have on the same necklace as yesterday and an Ana Luisa necklace. So on my Louis necklace and my Ana Luisa necklace. And that's my outfit today. Oh, I have my hands full. These two. The great part about it is they play hard and then they sleep hard. Ow! That's my ear. Ow! Then they sleep hard. And they don't always do that bitey unless they've been doing it to each other, and then they're just biting everything. Like, look at this. It's just anything. Okay. All right, I got to get back to work. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. I almost forgot what day it is. It's Tuesday. It is 4:30 in the morning. I've got to hit the road. So I'm all alone. Nobody's up with me. And for outfit of the day today, I have on Cabi pants, Cabi jacket. I have on a Nicky Bicky tank. And for shoes, how about these adorable Dolce Vitas? Love these. I have on the same necklaces as yesterday and my bracelet stack. And I'm ready to go. That was quick, right? All right, I hope everyone is doing fabulous, and I will catch you tomorrow. Hey, everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day, and it is 46 degrees outside, getting up to 74 today, so it's going to be a really beautiful day. My loft haul post today, I sure hope you check it out. It's really, really good. So many beautiful pieces that you're going to want to grab for the warm weather. And for outfit of the day today, I have on Mother Denim from a Trendsend. I have on an Ever Eve tank from probably a Trendsend or just from the Ever Eve store, because I do love these basics. And then my Cabi jacket, you may remember from last year. I think this was from, and Lisa's gonna have to remind me, it was either from the winter or the previous haul, the previous spring or summer, but not from this spring and summer. And then for shoes, how about these really pretty shoes from Dolce Vita, just a nice gold. I have a loft belt on, and my jewelry is the same as yesterday, no changes. So same necklaces and same bracelet stack. And I think I am ready to go. All right, I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, Friday Eve, and it is going to be a hot one here in Pennsylvania. It's 75 right now. It's getting up to 80. The puppers are here, causing trouble as always. Bitey, bitey, bitey. We're so bitey, aren't we? Everything's a bite. Loki just woke up, so he's got that I'm so sleepy look. Willie's just ready to bite. He bit my nose the other day and almost brought tears to my eyes. Oh, and he makes that that sound when he's talking, when he yawns, and when he's being expressive, huh, buddy? Huh. All right, we'll let them chew on each other and not me, which is always my preference. And let's talk about outfit of the day today. So it is, like I said, beautiful outside. So I went sleeveless because I'd like to go outside and just get a little bit of that sunshine for the few minutes I can make it outside today. So I put on this cute marine layer vest I got at a boutique. I have on a pair of AG denim shorts that I got in a Trendsend, very similar to I think the pair I wore on Monday. For shoes, I just threw on these cute little flip-flops. These are by Dolce Vita, love the gold. And then I just put on my bracelet stack and the same necklaces I've been wearing all week. I kind of like them together. That's my outfit today. All right, well, we got to get back to work. I got to get the puppers outside, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday and time for outfit of the day. All right, so it is 70 degrees outside, getting up to 73, so not as nice as yesterday, and the sun really hasn't been out. It's been incredibly overcast. And you're not going to believe like what happened. I can't believe it myself. So my husband yesterday started sending me pictures of a dog. He's always wanted a beagle. Always. He's always wanted a beagle. So he sends me these pictures, and then he says, can we go get it? Of this adorable dog. And I'm like, we must be crazy. So apparently the hole that was created by the loss of Wyatt and Xena is so large that not one or two dogs is going to fill it, but we had to have 3 puppies. 3 puppies. Can you believe this? He is a blue tick beagle. Look at that face. He is still getting used to the puppers, but he really, really likes them. And yeah, I have this is puppy palooza. That's what this is. It is puppy palooza. I can't even believe it myself. Even when I called the vet to add him, or headed to the vet now, I was like, I can't believe I'm telling you this, but I need to add another puppy to the visit. So you can all tell me how insane I am, because I know it. Even my son just said, I can't believe we have 3 dogs. I can't either. And even my dad's dog lived here. I had said 3 was too many. So we'll see how this all goes. I can't believe it. All right. Somebody asked me about Happy Dance and if I was bringing that back. And I'll be honest with you, I have been thinking about it. But Happy Dance felt a little bit like, okay, you two. Okay. Felt a little bit like Wyatt's thing, you know, and I'd love to honor his memory, so I thought about doing that and keeping it, but I also feels wrong doing it without him. Can I talk? It feels really bad doing it without him. So let me know your thoughts. Would you guys like to keep on doing Happy Dance, or would you like to do something different to mark Fridays? My husband suggested the Loki Pokey. we could do that. Let me know what you think of that. So I need to not feel badly about doing it, which I'm still working through myself, because right now, even talking about it, I feel like this should be Wyatt and we should be doing Happy Dance. So let me know what you think. Would you like to change it up and do something a little bit different, or do a version of Happy Dance and we change it to the Loki Pokey if Wyatt's willing to do the Hokey Pokey. If Loki, what did I say? Wyatt again? Too many names, too many puppies. If Loki is willing to do the Hokey Pokey for us on Fridays. So, all right, let's get to my outfit today. For today, I chose an easy outfit because I had puppies running everywhere and I had to get dressed quickly. So I put on a Z Supply set. I have on a Z Supply top, Z Supply bottom, threw on this amazing jacket from Rag & Bone. I love it. And then for shoes, the same as yesterday, because I'm running to the vet and been running the puppies around. So we're going with just a flip-flop today. And then I just put on my bracelet stack, my necklace you've seen all week, and I think we're ready to rock and roll. And that's a wrap on Friday. I will see you tomorrow. Shh. Loki is one with the piercing voice. I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. It is first thing in the morning. I'm going to breakfast with my friend. I just have Loki for right now. The troops are awake and very, very rowdy. My Front Door Fashion posted today, and as always, my stylist Rachel delivered. She does such a nice job creating pieces that fit into my everyday life. My keepers for that were this pink little tank. I really enjoyed this little sweater tank. I also kept the jeans with the holes in the knees. I really liked those. Who were they by? I can't remember now. Those were by DL 1961. The fit was nice. I really enjoyed them. And then I also kept the blue crop pants with the seams going down the front. I think they were by Karen Kane. And yeah, they were. And then just a basic blue and white tee, because I wear those all the time underneath my blazers. And then the white tank, which I was surprised I really enjoyed. So those were my keepers this time around. I feel like these are, aside from, of course, the jeans, everything I can probably wear into the office underneath blazers. And the blue pants I really liked. I thought they might be nice for a conference I have coming up. Throw a white blazer on, the cute little blue and white tee. I'm set, right? And for outfit of the day today, I actually have on pieces from Front Door Fashion. I have on AG denim from a Front Door Fashion. I have on this beautiful jacket, also from a Front Door Fashion. It was from Reset. I just remember the name, by Reset. Then I put on a Z Supply top that I got in a boutique. No, we're not fighting. And for shoes, I have on these Dolce Vitas that I got in a Stitch Fix, I believe. They said like the snake print on them. For jewelry, I just put on my Louis necklace and then my bracelet stack. And I think I'm ready to go. And that's a wrap. So I will list all of these pieces, all of my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which box in case you'd like to check that out. And all the links are down below as well. You'll get money towards your first boxes. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Can't wait to hear your favorites. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.